how to make white text visible on a light background. So this is another Canva hack for you guys. So if you have a background photo with a light color and you also want to put light text on it, however the problem is the text isn't visible. So here's what we can do. I'm going to show you two ways. Okay, the first one is, let's say this is our photo or our background, and we have a lighter font here, and again it's not visible. So the first thing that you need to do is go to element, and then it will give you options. So go to shape and you click on the square one. Okay, now there you go, you can see the square shape, and then change the color. Here's the color, and click on add a new color. This one will give you a selection of colors, and then go to or select gradient. After selecting gradient, the first layer you have to change it to black. Okay, and then the second layer, which is this one there, the second one, there's a color, you need to change that one to black as well, and it will give you a solid black color square. Okay. Now going back to the second layer, you have to reduce the transparency of the second layer. It will give you something like this, and all you have to do is adjust. Okay, let's do this one. There. Oops. Just adjust it, and then there you will have something like that. So you can now see the your text or your font clearly. Another one is, let's use the same photo and the same font. You have to select this font or text, and then go to effects, click on lift, and then adjust the intensity. Okay, there you go, it's now clearer. And then go to the other text, same, click effect, and click lift, and then adjust. So that's it. It is now visible even if we have a lighter background. Or another thing, okay, this is just connected to this effect, you can just duplicate the page or the text, duplicate, and then just adjust it to the same position as the first one. And also this one, click this one and then click on duplicate there, and then just adjust the font or the letters same position as the first one. There you go, it's now more clearer than the other. Okay, so the finished product is this one, or you can also do this one. Oops. Okay, so now we're done with another tutorial. I hope that you learned again something today, and if you want to learn more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel. It's Be a Smart Teacher, and I'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye!